So you are thinking Lake Las Vegas in the Henderson area, and you want to be by water, and you want your base price to be under $1 million. Do we have a beautiful property for you today? Let's go inside. And this one is going to be our Barona model. And absolutely love this entry. So this is the part that I adore. This little breezeway here. What a fantastic experience. And before you even get into your main home, you have this beautiful Casita area to our right. Let's go inside and take a peek. Easily 20 plus feet on a slope. Always love these beautiful pivot doors. This one on. Third, trademarks when it comes to their entrance. Beautiful pivot, as you can see there. Let me step back and let you get that view. But look at that. Gorgeous. That's what Toll Brothers does. I love it. And immediately to the right, let me just give you a little bit of a view when you first come in. So we're just standing right next to our pivot door. My gosh, that view. This is the reason I swung on here, because 65 of these lots, some of them definitely sold, but when you want water, you can find water here in Las Vegas. These are some of the last ones as far as our water living, but let me take you immediately to the right first. So now remember, you already had your Casita, which is right outside those sort of triple doors. And you have this additional space up front, or additional bedroom. They put these sliders in, of course. Bathroom. And this one takes you into this beauty. Into your laundry area, with some uppers. I would think your uppers and splash and maybe the sink is going to be an upgrade. Powder room. And again, that beautiful pivot door. They're using this bonus space right now as an office, as you can see at this point. And what I'm going to do is give you this feature sheet. You can freeze your screen and take a look at that, at some of the options that could come with this beautiful property. And we're going to sneak you through here really quickly. Let's just take in all of it. Just love, 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 love. Always what Toll Brothers does. You know, ceiling Those beams are going to be optional upgrades, all those beautiful things. Absolutely adore everything about this kitchen. I want it, but let me focus. Pantry. You do have those uppers. Absolutely stunning additional cabinetry. Walls, or I should say a farm sink. We have the 6 top towards our burner. And these, you see, what an amazing dining area. Let's take you to some additional bedrooms. Remember, we've had our casita. We've had our 1 bedroom towards the front. Before we get you to the primary, let's take you down this way. This more than likely is going to be towards your garage. We'll see if that's open or if it's probably their sales center. You have a little bit of a mud area, if you will. It's probably a term that's more used on the East Coast than here in Vegas, but let's say a drop zone when you first come in from your garage. And then let's take you over to your primary. Absolutely love these sliders. We'll get you outside in a sec. And into your primary suite. Wow, that is a beautiful, fresh. Ah, the water, the water, the water. Love it. Beautiful, unique living here when it comes to Lake Las Vegas. Because when most people think of Vegas, they definitely just think desert. And we don't think of our water or lake living. And we have it here. Toll Brothers, Blue Herring, and a few other builders have delivered with some stunning details. And then a beautiful walk-in closet. And love the underlights. And those pull downs are just a heaven send. So whenever you have your rack up, you just pull these babies down and pull them up. And that lets you get to your flows a little easier. And then let's get you outside and upstairs to the bonus feature. And those sliders, they're just stackables. All of those are just stackable there. We're going to get you completely outside first, and then we'll get you upstairs. And now again, each of these lots, as you can see for right now, of course, they have been done. They've placed their upgrades and features in the home. You, of course, will come and design your own and make it just as beautiful, but my gosh, look at all that water over there. Make it just as beautiful And we're about to sneak you upstairs to that little area. See how fun that is. And love this extra space up top. It's like a bonus space for you. Okay, so I just want to come in and show you that area that we were talking about as far as that patio area. This is your covered patio area. But again, if you want to take in that space and you want to use it, say, give more space to your in-laws, give more space to your friends and family, you can turn that actually into your multi-gen suite and add that additional space. An additional 14 by 11 inches can take up this beautiful area here and have more space for visitors, families, friends, mother-in-laws, and all those kind of great things.